Darling, 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 there's no need to worry. It's just a couple things.
Hi, I am Gab, and these are the available orgs here in CIIT. So, mayroong 34 frames at the year, CGC, Cascade, Gestalt, Lightbox, Pixel Hive, Safe Zone, Spades, kung saan ako, Talon, Tunes, and Obelisk. Yan ang mga orgs na pwede mong salihan na nabubuo talaga ang community dito and sobrang saya.
I am Aaron, a CIT Zen. What to expect? For me, I think madali lang siya actually. Yung sa exam niya, yung parang normal exam, think for sure kayo madadalian lang din doon. At saka, bibigyan naman kayo ng ample time ng CIIT para matapos yung exams. Sa dalawang part yun, yung normal exam tapos may isa pa, drawing exam. So, actually, ang masasabi ko lang doon is practice nyo yung art style nyo, ganun. Yun lang.
Hi, I'm Duane, CIIT Zen. So basically, kinakailangan mo obviously yung mga documents na needed ng mismong admissions. Nakalista naman na yun, so kinakailangan mo na lang i-check doon kung nakuha mo na ba lahat ng requirements. You also need to have like art supplies. By art supplies, hindi naman siya kinakailangan bongga. You need to have like bond paper. But be ready for like eraser, pencil, sharpener. But also, don't forget your creativity.